Hello friend, in today's video we will see how to upload the code in Arduino Lilypad. So this is my Arduino Lilypad clone version because the in original version it will be written there Lilypad Arduino. So this is my clone version of Arduino Lilypad. Many people will got the uploading error while uploading the Arduino sketch in this clone version. So in today's video I will show you how to upload the Arduino code in this Arduino Lilypad clone version. For this video you will need Arduino Lilypad, FTDI controller used to upload the code. This is FTDI controller, and a USB cable to connect it to the laptop. Okay, now we will see the pin description of this Arduino Lilypad. So this first and second pin is the ground pin. Third pin is the VCC pin. Fourth pin is the receiver pin. Fifth pin is the transmitter pin. And the last, this sixth pin is the DTR pin for data. So these are the pins of our Arduino Lilypad. Now we will see the pins of our FTDI controller. So the first pin from the right side is the ground pin, then second pin is the CTS pin, third is the VCC, fourth is the TX for transmitter, fifth is the RX for receiver, and sixth one is the DTR pin, data pin. And this is the jumper. It is now connected to 5 volt. If we take out the jumper and connect it to this side, then our Arduino Lilypad will connect it to 3.3 volt. Now we will interface our Arduino Lilypad with this FTDI controller. Take the female to female jumper wires and connect it to the Arduino Lilypad like this. Since there are two ground pins, we will use only one ground pin. Now, this is the ground pin. It will go to the FTDI controller ground pin. We have connected it to the ground. The third, this black wire, third pin of the Lilypad is for VCC. We will connect the third black wire into the VCC of our FTDI controller. Now, the fourth pin, this white wire is for receiver, and it will go to the FTDI controller transmitter. This is for transmitter. This fifth pin is of transmitter. It will go to the FTDI receiver. And the last pin of this Arduino Lilypad is for DTR, data. It will go to the FTDI data pin. Our connections are completed from this Arduino Lilypad to our FTDI controller. Now take the USB cable and connect to the FTDI controller like this, and the second end of the USB cable will go to the Arduino IDE through the laptop. When you connect the Arduino Lilypad with the laptop, the red light in the FTDI controller will glow, and the red light in the Lilypad will also glow.
Open Arduino IDE and open a blank sketch. Now, from the description, there is a file of this FTDI controller drivers. Download the zip file. It will be named as CDM21228. Now, extract it. After extracting, the setup will come. Now, what you have to do? Install this software. It is showing FTDI CDM drivers. Extract, then install this FTDI controller software. Now our software is downloaded. After that, open this blank sketch, then go to device manager. After that, check the COM port. It is showing COM 6. Now what you have to do? Go to files, then examples, basics, and open the Blink project. After that, go to tools, then in the board, go to Lilypad Arduino. After that, again go to tools and select your processor. It is Atmega 328 or Atmega 168. Mine is Atmega 328. I select it here. Now again go to tools and select the port as COM6. This is the blink code to blink the LED which is built on the Arduino Lilypad. Now upload the code. It is showing code is uploading. Now the code is uploaded and you can see the LED which is blinking on the Arduino Lilypad.
Now you can see the LED which is on the Lilypad is blinking.